Viewers, welcome back and thanks very much for joining me. We'll be arriving at Brisbane International Airport in approximately 33 seconds. Please fasten your safety belts and thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't know how much it means, because yes, it feels like I'm in my own little echo chamber here, talking away to myself. And there's a whole world out there. A whole world out there waiting, weighing in. Anyway, I've forgotten what I was going to say. You've made my day already, and it's only 20 minutes to midnight. I've got lots to say, actually, lots and lots, especially for international viewers, because you don't know what's been going on in Australia. You don't know $60 million has been ripped off the truth community in the last year, possibly 2 years. $60 million and counting. $60 million pissed up against the wall by the fake truth community leaders. Max Igan hardly weighed in. Max didn't even, he's not a drop in the ocean compared to the rest of them. And I'm still telling you, Max, share some links of mine, dude. Show you care. I've been pumping up your tires for the last 10 years. It's up to you, buddy.